everyone, welcome back to Shiko Hope TV USA. My name is Shiko Hope, and you know what, guys? I'm back with amazing information from one and only AMZ Realtors, and I'm not alone. I have someone here who is going to take us through that, and let me bring him up so he can give us the good news. And here he is, Mr. Kevin.
Yes, Shiko, how are you?
Welcome to Shiko Hope TV.
Thank you very much.
I can
Yes.
see now you have.
Yeah, so thank you very much for inviting me to Shiko Hope TV. My name is
Yeah.
Mwangi Kevin. For those who don't know me, some of the people who are watching might be my clients from Texas. I am Mwangi Kevin, a relationship manager here at AMG Realtors. We work together with Martin because I understand a lot of people know Martin, but they have not seen me before. But today I'll be assisting Martin. Yeah.
Wow, thank you so much for coming. I know you have brought us some good news.
Yes. I brought up some good news, some very hot deals. It's a new project, something we've never done before. So I think the
Mhm.
viewers should really tune in to wait and see what's coming up next. It's something really big and amazing.
Now, and you know what? We are not waiting anymore. Take us
Okay,
through.
okay.
Take us through.
Uh, okay, sawa. So what we have right now is a new project in a new area that we've never been in before. So AMG was started back in 2012, and since that time we've been selling land around Olpajeta, Conservancy, Gate B, around that area. Even if you listen to most of our advertisements, they're around that area. But we decided to go to a new area to start something fresh, start something new. So the area is it's actually called Daiga. We are calling it Daiga View. It's very close to the very famous hotel called Mayan. I don't know if Shiko, you know it's Mayan. Have you heard
Yeah,
of
I
it?
hear.
Yeah,
I hear about it.
it's a very famous hotel. People come from all over the world to visit it. So that's why
Mm.
we have the new project. Actually, we are calling Daiga View. Most of our projects that we have near Olpajeta Gate B, we've been selling them for 229. But this one is very prime. It's very close to the Mayan Hotel. There's a very famous hotel called Storms Resort. It's also around the area. So it's a very beautiful area, very nice for residential, very nice for also commercial. You can also do something commercial on the land. So from Nanyuki town, it's only 20 minutes drive to Mayan. Those who have been to Mayan know it's not very far from Nanyuki town. That road is called Nanyuki Rumuruti Road. I don't know if you heard of it, Nanyuki Rumuruti Road. Yeah, so from the Nanyuki Rumuruti Road to the Shamba is not far. It's less than 2 kilometers to the Shamba. So the Shamba is very beautiful. It has very nice views of the hills, what we're calling Lol Daiga Hills. That's why we are calling the project Daiga View, because of the very beautiful hills in the area that you can build a very nice resort. Even you can build a very nice home later. So when you're waking up, you're seeing very nice, beautiful views of the Lol Daiga Hills around the area. So we have that project. It's a very new project. We are really excited about it. A lot of clients have been asking about it because they have never heard of that area before. We've never come to that area before, but we are really excited about that area because the advantage of that area is that there is red soil, so which is different from this other area of Olpajeta Conservancy that has mostly black cotton. And the red soil is very nice for farming. We've also been told red soil is also very nice for if you want to construct a house. It's also very nice. So that area is really different. And we have a special offer for the first buyers who will come to us that we're selling it at 500,000 shillings for the cash payments. We usually have two methods of payment. We have cash and then we have installments. So for cash payments, you pay 500,000. And for installments, you pay 550,000. You put a deposit and then you pay the balance in 4 months. So the reason we give 4 months is because, you know, we as AMG Realtors, we sell what we own. So first of all, you buy the land. We make sure the mother title deed is in our name before we can now start selling the land. So that's why we give a small period of time, because we need that cash flow so that we can be able to purchase that land fully, which is very important. And I think Painat's idea, we're able to guarantee that within 60 days, you'll have received the title. So that's, we call it 60-day money back guaranteed, assured that the title deed is ready. And I think title deed is very important, because one of my clients was informing that if you are given a certificate for a project, it won't help you, because you won't be able to develop it, you won't be able to build anything with that certificate. You just require the title. So it's good that we as AMG Realtors, once you purchase with us, you get a freehold title deed in your name. So we've subdivided them into plots. Each plot comes with its own individual title. When you buy one plot, you get one title deed. 2 plots, 2 title deed, like that. So it's a very nice area. We're really excited about the Mayan. When you're on the project, you see Mayan. You see the greenhouse of the Kenya Horticultural Export. They are growing crops for export. You also pass that hotel I told you, the Storm Resort Hotel. So it's a very, very beautiful area that we're excited, Shiko.
Wow. I would like you
Yeah.
to give us the price once again, because that
The
place
price.
is so prime.
Yeah. It's very, very
Yeah,
prime.
can you give us the price again?
So thank you. So we usually have two methods of payment depending on how you pay. So you can either choose to pay cash. Cash is where you pay the whole amount at once, or we usually give a period of 7 days for those clients who are in diaspora, for clients who are in the US, Texas, and all those states. So we give them a period of 7 days because maybe you have a limit of sending money. So that's cash payment, 500,000 shillings. So that 500,000 shillings is inclusive of all charges. We have the title processing, we have the stamp duty, we have the legal fees, all that is inclusive. I think it's important I mention, because sometimes you can go and buy land and then later unaanza kuitishwa, unaambia Shiko, we need 30,000. Yeah, title processing, we need 50,000 for this. But we as AMG Realtors, everything is inclusive. And then there's an installment option where if you can say you want to pay it pole in monthly installments. So you can put a deposit of 100,000 and then you pay the balance in 4 months. So you can put, you pay 100,000, the balance of, because the installment price is 550,000. So you pay 100,000 deposit and then 450,000 shillings in installments of 4 months. And then you'll be able to clear. And once you're cleared, we'll be able to start the title deed process and all that, and make sure that you receive the title deed. In fact, Shiko, I don't know if you know that we send title deeds to the US for free. We send it via DHL.
Yeah. Yes, I received my title deeds here last month.
That's very, very nice. I think it's good if someone like you has received the title deeds. I think that's evidence that we deliver on our promise. So wherever you are in the US, we can send the title deeds over to you for free via DHL.
Wow, can you tell us now the mode of payment? Do I use M-Pesa? Do I use Western Union? Can you take us how we can pay?
So the best method of payment we actually advise most of our clients is through the bank. We have 3 bank accounts that are registered under AMG Realtors. So that's very important, because if you're transferring money from your account, for example, Shiko, you're transferring money from Wanjiko to AMG Realtors. I think it's very clear that you pay this company money for the purchase of land. So we have 3 bank accounts. We have Equity, we have Cooperative, and we have ABSA. All of them are registered under AMG Realtors. So when you're sending money to us, even if you're talking to one of our agents, make sure that they give you the account numbers for AMG Realtors, so you can send it via AMG Realtors. I'm sure that the people in the US cannot use, are not able to use PayBill, but we usually have that kind of option. But we recommend the bank because it's easier to trace your payments. It's easier even later for evidence purposes. If you wanted to prove that you send us money, it's there that you send money to AMG Realtors, and that's the one you can recommend. So you can use Equity, you can use Cooperative, and you can use ABSA. Those are the 3 options that we usually give.
Wow. That's okay. What if I don't have a bank account in Kenya? Can I use Western Union? Can I use M-Pesa?
Yeah, so we usually have those options where you can use Western Union. You can also use M-Pesa. The problem with M-Pesa, sometimes we have limits, but you can send us money using M-Pesa. We usually have our CEO's number. His name is Andrew Muthee Gitau. I think you've heard of him, Andrew Muthee Gitau. He is AMG himself. So he has his number that you can send money to him directly via M-Pesa, or you can also send money to his number via Western Union. The only problem why we're trying to discourage that is because of maybe the limits. Sometimes when we've reached the daily limit or the monthly limit, so we are not able to receive payments, and that's why we encourage for the bank payments. But we can also use M-Pesa to our CEO and Western Union also.
Wow. Thank you so much for clarifying on that. Now we are all set.
Thank you very much, Shiko.
Yeah, my people in diaspora and all over the world, they are coming. They are coming to grab that prime plot.
Karibuni sana. We really appreciate a lot of investors that area diaspora. So at least Shiko will have a shamba there from Texas. You also have someone there from New York. You also have someone from Washington around that area, and it will be really, really nice for you to invest in that area. It's an area I can really highly recommend.
Yes. Thank you so much, Kevin, for coming. Now wait for us. We are coming.
Hey, karibuni sana Kenya. We really miss you guys. Please, you can call us. You can reach out to us. We have our website, www.amgrealtors.com. You can reach us there. You can also reach me on my number, 0700-852-844. Or you can go to our website, www.amgrealtors.com. You can also check out other projects that we have. We have other projects that you can also check out if you find something that's interesting to you. We also have our office line down there. You can also call us at any time of the day. In fact, we also have a 24 o'clock calling center. So no matter the time you call us, we are awake here to serve you.
Wow, wow. Thank you so much, Mr. Kevin, for coming.
Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate.
Wow. And that marks the end of this video. Today we are investing. See you in our next videos, and remember to invest with AMD Realtors. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.